Hello again, thanks for joining me today. What you see behind me is Starcraft's LX18F, which is a super affordable fishing cruise model. So why don't you come on aboard and we'll take a look at everything this boat has to offer. So as you first get on board, I noticed these really nice stylish fishing seats, which you can leave open like this. They also go all the way down. And they also do spin, so if you want to fish the side, if you want to fish the front, you do have some range of motion there. As we go a little further back, you're going to notice this nice combo seat and livewell. So it pops right open. It is an aerated livewell, so if you are catching and keeping fish, it's a great way to use it. Maybe you're not a fisherman and this turns out to be a really nice built-in cooler for you and your family to keep drinks, food, that kind of thing. So really nice option here. We take a couple steps further back here. We get to this really nice helm here, so it's really well built, nice clean looking plastic, which also has a built-in Jensen Bluetooth stereo and a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder. So you're going to be able to find the fish, you're going to know the water temperature, all the things that are important to you on the day on the lake. Finally, we go back here, we do have a swim ladder, really nice bench seat to fit everyone on board. This boat does seat 8 people. So with everything the Charles Mill Marina sells, it does come with a full mooring cover, an indoctrination lesson on the lake, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and a full safety package. On top of that, we're going to handle all of your titling and registration needs here in-house before we deliver it to you. So it's going to be boat on the water, ready for fun for you to start your summer. If you think this is the boat for you, give us a call, 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.